to my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what's up y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and I know you guys wondering, why are you in Crash Club? Well, this video, today, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be testing out some, like, the Toyota AE86 Truenos, like, some games that have some, like, an AE86 Trueno car. So yeah, because I'm just gonna test the drift for the car to see if it performs well or bad with this game, with different types of games. So yeah, here we go, guys. I know you guys are drift fans, so yeah. So here we go. And I'll put some music up too, so enjoy, guys.
Lost in the night, and time I log in your supercomputer. Give me the best one, give me your sexy body. Call me for any reason if you need me. Call me in the dark of the night, right? Search me for heavy critical decision. Faster rating in every season. I am a superhero, like a warrior now in action. I am a perfect hero. A supermarshal, fighting for passion. I am a superhero, magic rider full of glory. I am a perfect hero. A supermarshal inside, need a story tonight. I fight for passion, chemical reaction. I kill the aliens inside your heart. Give me your number, give me your desire. I drive my war car, I take my gun on fire. Call me for any reason if you need me. Call me in the dark of the night, right? Search me for heavy critical decision. Faster rating in every season. I am a superhero, like a warrior now in action. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal, fighting for passion. I am a superhero, magic rider full of glory. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal inside, need a story tonight. Criminal lovers, everyday in action. I sense your voices lost in the night. And time I log in your supercomputer. Give me the best one, give me.
Alright, well, I crashed, but okay, well, this thing gets like a 6. Okay, so this thing, the drifting skills gets like a 6 out of 10. It's kind of like but like, you know, whatever. It's just, the drifting was like, it was so good, but like, it's just, I mean, it could be better if it was like, you know, it could be better if this thing had like black rims on, but oh well. So here we go, let's go to next game. Alright, so here's the next game. This is Demolition Derby 3, which is which is the game that I've played before. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Let's go with the downtown Delmere. Why not? Okay. Oh.
Search me for heavy critical decision, faster rating in every season. I am a superhero, like a warrior now in action. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal fighting for passion. I am a superhero, magic warrior full of glory. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal inside. Need a story tonight.
Bruh. Again. No, it does not look that bad. How am I supposed to do these drifts?
I search for buses lost in the night. Enter my login in your sweet computer. Give me the password, give me your sexy body. Call me for hand.
Okay, you know what? This thing gets like a 3 out of 10. It doesn't even drift to that much, so yeah, next game. I never really thought I would do this video. Here's Demolition Derby 2. Here's the AE86 one. Like, look at... What the heck? Why does it look like that? It doesn't even make sense. Pop-up headlights is gone. This thing is... Oh my god. Y'all just test it. Let's see if it drifts.
A supermarshal inside. Need a story tonight. Fight for passion, chemical reaction. I kill the aliens inside your heart. Give me your number, give me your desire. I drive my war car, I take my gun on fire. Call me for any reason if you need me. Call me in the dark of the night. Right, search me for heavy critical decision. Faster rating in every season. I am a superhero, like a warrior now in action. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal fighting for passion. I am a superhero, magic warrior full of glory. I am a perfect hero, a supermarshal inside. Need a story tonight.
I'll give this like a 1. It doesn't have drifts. Here's next game, which is very, very cool. Multiplayer game. It's called Car Parking Multiplayer. Let's go with the Toyota AE86 Trueno, because that's what we are doing. drift. What? It doesn't drift. Okay, well, it spun out. How do I get this thing to drift? No, that's another spun out. How do I get this thing to drift? What? How do I get this thing to drift? I don't get it. That's not even that much of a drift. Okay, that was kind of good. That was kind of good, I think. Oh, this is so hard. This is so hard to do a perfect drift. It's so hard to do a perfect drift. See, it's not even that perfect. It's not even perfect, bro. No. Damn. Like, ABS, maybe that should work. It's not even. Traction control. Maybe that should be a bit better. Oh my god, it's still doing that. Why is it? It keeps spinning out for no reason. See, like, this thing. No wonder when I don't use this. Oh, that almost worked. Except now my car is damaged, and I can't. No. See, oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do this thing perfect. I can't do this thing even perfect. I can't do this thing. I can't do these drifts perfect. Oh, close. Okay, well. No. No, I don't want to go there. Oh, there you go. That's good. Oh, that's good too. Yeah. I don't know why it's so laggy. Oh, the best. So laggy. No. No, it's damaged. See? Well, it's not completely damaged, but it still is. Ouch. Yeah, really? See? Are you standing? forgetting all, like, regretting all. Hmm? Okay, not bad. Alright, well, this thing gets like a, like, I don't know, like a 4 out of 10. It just, like, it doesn't even, like, drift. It cannot handle, I don't know how to do, like, I mean, this, like, it doesn't even do, like, perfect drifts. It's like, it keeps, like, sliding off. Like, keeps spinning out. I don't even know why, but oh well. Alright, we got the same, we get the different game, but the same developer by High Tide Games. The same developer, High Tide Games. So, yeah. Okay. Race crash. Let's do that on the AE86. Let's do this. So it's a race. Let's do this. 60 FPS. Okay. Let's do this race. Okay. Okay. Oh, that wasn't a drift. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, wow. That's very good. Whoa. That's very good. Unfortunately, I'm not winning, but I don't care. At least drifts are so good. Okay, well, not bad. It gets a 7 out of 10. It's not even that bad. So, let's go to the next game. Oh, guys, I also forgot to say, it's initial D type only, so, yeah. So, I'm just gonna see, okay, we got this. So, we got this game, I completely forgot what the name is, but oh well. So, we got this Toyota AE86 Trueno. Let's do this. This road is very thin. I don't know if I can get it. I don't know if I can do this right. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, well, not bad. This thing gets like I mean, well, it's kind of, it's like, it's not bad and kind of bad at the same time. So I'll give it like a 6.5. So, yeah, the drifting was like, it's like, oh, whatever. Okay, so, next game. Alright, we got Car Crash Simulator Mars. Thankfully we got black rims. Cool. Those look more gray to me, but oh well. And it's also same game. So yeah. Hopefully I don't get a scratch. Hopefully I don't get a scratch. No, really? Let's do some drip. No, not again. There we go. There. Woo. Oh, cool. Okay, whoa. That's good. Ooh, that was so perfect. Okay, a little bit of damage, no big deal. A little bit of damage on the front, no big deal. I could do this. Oh, okay. Whoa, that was close. Whoa. Questions about SMKM. Because, like, I know him, but not that much. Because I don't know if he can, like, drift in games, so, yeah. We're getting close to the bottom. Like, we're getting close to Mars. Okay. Slow motion on. Wow, that felt perfect. Yes. 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 We did it. Whoa, yeah. That felt perfect. Alright, so this is not even that bad. So I'll give this game, I'll give it like an 8.2 out of 10. It was really cool. It was a really cool game. Really cool drifting game. So, yeah, here we go. Next game. Okay, next game we've got Tokyo Drift Crash, which is exactly what I needed. That is like, wow, I really like this one. That's exactly what I needed. So, yeah, oh, they have a few Toyota AE. Like, they have a few Toyotas. Okay, well, I'll go with Tokyo Highway. Let's do this. Oh, you got the same. Oh, well. Oh, I really like the pop-up headlights. It's so sweet. Later, losers. Whoa. That's super. Why am I catching up? Oh, that's good. Oh, well, I crashed. Well, that was a very fun drifting game. Oh, well, I'm gonna get hit. Oh, yeah. And now I'm on fire. That was still a very cool drifting game, so I'll give it like a 7.5. So yeah, next game is called Car Crash Simulator 6, so yeah. Okay. I mean, that kind of looks like it. Yeah, I think so. Whoa, careful there. Well, this thing is not really a drifty car. Come on. Drift. This thing is not a drift car. Oh, I think this is not a drift car. Yeah, it isn't a drift car. Alright, well. I'm not sure if this thing will drift. At all. Oh, yes, it will. This just doesn't even look that much more of an initially style. But oh well. Whoa, oh. Okay, that's not bad. And bad. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, I'll give this thing like a 5 out of 10. It's not even much drifty, initially style, but oh well. Next game is Car Crash Simulator 3 by another developer by High Tide Games. Let's do this. Alright, we got this. Ooh. This thing will fit perfectly. Wow. Here we go. Let's do some drifts. Let's go over here. That was so good. That was so good. That was kind of too fast on that corner. Should have slowed down, but oh well. Wow. Wow. This thing is very cool. like the drifting in this thing. Why is fire truck stop? The heck? Oh, there you go. The slow motion thing is like, won't even let me click on it. There we go. There we go. Look how perfect that was. I like perfect stuff. Even drifts. Oh, I like that. It's so cool. I like it a lot. I think that's enough of that. So this thing gets like an 8.5 out of 10. That was pretty good. Okay. So next game. Alright. This is the next game, which is the car crap. This is like Crash X, whatever. And well, so this is actually the part 1, so yeah, I'm gonna do it in part 2, so yeah, soon. So yeah, this is gonna be the second to last game, and the last game it'll be very better. It'll be even better than that, okay? Okay, well, it would help if I would drift perfectly. I mean, look at him. He drifts so perfectly. Why can I not drift perfectly? There we go. See, like, I can't even drift it. It's so perfect. I mean, look at me. I'm not even drift. I can't drift this thing perfect. This car doesn't even. This thing doesn't even drift like that. That's not how they drift in real life. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, come on. You know what? This thing gets like a 3.5. It like that's not how they drift. All right, well, last game. All right, well, this is the last game, which is Initial Drift. Okay, we got this thing. Here we go. The heck? Okay, oh, a good drift. No, not again. Gosh, don't even mind someone speaking. Okay. Jeez, okay. Bro, how long is this road? Why did I do the full road? Should not have done that. It's beginning nighttime, I think. Never mind, it's not. Wow, good. Okay. When does this road end? The heck, when does this road end? The heck? Good. Dang it. Not really. I know I said that the last one is gonna be even way better than that, but still. But I did not even notice that it was gonna be that bad. A little bit. And plus, dude, still no black rims for this thing. Oh well. Oh, what the heck? See, made it. Oh, well. That kind of sucked. First win. Alright, well. I think that's going to be it for this video. So if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know. And, yeah, well, see you guys soon. I'll do part 2 of it. So, yeah. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.